Hi everyone, today I am cooking a Rajasthani dish, Kanji Vada. Today I have a good news. My Swagatika kitchen has reached 1000 subscribers and more. This is all for you people's support and love for my channel. I hope you keep on supporting me and making my channel grow. Thank you. Today I am making a special video, so watch till the end to know the surprise. This recipe I just learnt it from my neighbors, those who are Marwadis, and my extended family. So after this Diwali, when they gave me kanji vada, I was really amazed to eat such a lovely dish. I learnt it from her and I'm making this dish today. And this dish during the festivals and occasions when we tend to eat spicy, sweets, all those heavy stuff food, kanji vada helps in digestion. So let's start making kanji vada. First, let's make the kanji water. For that, I have taken a glass jar with 1 liter of water. To this, I'll add all the masalas. So first, I'm adding mustard powder, 1.5 teaspoon. I have grinded it at home, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, and less than half a teaspoon of hing. Mix all the masala nicely in the water. Give it a good mix and cover it and let this kanji ferment for 3 days. We need 3 days for the kanji to ferment. Now we take this bottle and keep it in a good place. I have taken here 1 cup moong dal. Soak it with 2 glasses of water and let this sit for 4 to 5 hours. It's already been 5 hours now. My moong dal is nicely soaked. So I grind them with 2 green chilies and a piece of ginger and little salt. Take out all the water completely from the moong dal and I grind it dry. There should be no water, completely dry. Then I add in the ginger and the green chilies. I grind this to a rough paste, not a smooth paste. My moong paste is ready. So now I take them out to a bowl. You can see the paste is roughly grinded, not smooth. We just need it this way. To this I add in half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon wheat flour. We add wheat flour so to absorb all the moisture in the moong dal. I think my paste is little watery, so I add in 1 more teaspoon of wheat flour. Now my paste is ready. I heat in 2 teaspoon of mustard oil. I want the oil to be completely heated, smoky type. I add this to the paste so it gives a very nice flavor to the vadas. I've already heated a pan. Let's check. The oil is good enough. It's heated. So for the vadas, put little water on your both the fingers. Take a small amount of the batter and pat it on your fingers into a round flat shape and carefully add it to the oil. Same way, add in all the vadas and let this cook on medium heat. My vadas are ready. I take them out. Again add in the second slot of vadas and cook on medium heat
Turn both the sides and let them be brown. It should cook from inside. See, my vadas look so nice. They have become big and perfect color as I want. So this way I make all my vadas. My vadas are ready. Let me break and show you how this is cooked so perfectly from inside. Take a bowl, pour in half liter of water and half teaspoon of black salt. Mix it properly. Add in the vadas. Gently tap the vadas and let this vada soak in water completely for half an hour. It's half an hour now. We take out the vadas and press it like this for the excess water to go. My kanji has been sitting for last 3 days for fermentation. Let's open and check how it is. Wow! Just see the color. The smell is wonderful. And now only I feel like eating it. It looks so yummy and so nice. Now slowly add in the vadas to the kanji water one by one very carefully. We don't want to break the vadas. And give this a gentle mix and let this kanji vada soak for 4 hours before we serve it. It's already 4 hours now, so let me do the serving. 2 kanji vada or 3 kanji vadas you can serve at a time, and the kanji water. Then a pinch of black salt and a pinch of red chili powder and jeera powder. This recipe I had given in my dahi baingan video. You can check. My kanji vada is ready.
My kanji vada is ready. Now there is a surprise. I'm calling my neighbor Didi Mangla Vora, who has taught me this recipe. So let's welcome
Namaste.
my neighbor, my sister and my extended family Mangla Vora. तो दीदी आपका मैंने बनाया है ये कांजी वड़ा, आपका रेसिपी जो आपने मुझे दिया था। तो अभी देखते हैं, आपको मैं देती हूँ, आप टेस्ट कीजिए और बताइए। आपका रेसिपी है तो वंडरफुल तो होगा ही।
अरे वाह।
लेकिन देखते हैं आप क्या बोलते हैं इसको। आप जैसे डालते हैं थोड़ा काला नमक और थोड़ा मिर्ची पाउडर।
ओके।
तो टेस्ट कीजिए।
वाह वाह, दिखने में तो बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा है।
देखते हैं टेस्ट कैसा लग रहा है।
बहुत बढ़िया। मेरे से भी बढ़िया बन रहे हैं ये तो।
Oh, so nice. So now I think so my recipe will be very very nice because she has given me a thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Enjoy.